Be a Twilight vampire. You don't need to be in a book and bitten by a vampire to become just like your favorite Edward Cullen. Yes, there are a lot of ways you can look like him and portray the same image. What you have to do is fix something in your physical self. No more painful bites indeed. So here, if you are dying to become a Twilight vampire for whatever reason you have, check out these following ways on how you can do it yourself. Wear contact lenses. It is not new to you for sure that the Twilight vampires have glowing eyes. The vegetarian vampires have gold ones while the regular ones have burgundy. Whichever kind of vampire you want to portray, get colored contact lenses to help you with the image. Apply foundation. It is important that you get a foundation that is around 2 shades lighter than that of your skin tone. Apply the foundation in a circular manner and work not only on the face but as well as the ears and the neck. It will be better if you choose a foundation that can reflect light because Twilight vampires have a glowing skin. Do your eyes and lips. Apply an eyeliner and eyeshadow. The color must be lavender, and top them off with only a light touch of black mascara. With your lips, apply a bloody red lipstick. Manage your hair. For a female vampire, it is good to come out with either romantic waves or perfectly straight hair. On the other hand, male vampires can handle a bit ruffled middle part. Wear simple yet dark clothes. The colors you can choose from can be deep purple, black, or dark red. They can be a pair of jeans, long-sleeved shirts, skirts, or blouses. Remember that the clothes need not be too extravagant, as the Twilight vampires tend to easily blend well with the humans. Use small fangs, if you choose. Though not really necessary, if you want to use fangs, settle for the small ones only. As you know, Twilight vampires do not have fangs as mentioned in all books. However, if you choose to get one, make it unnoticeable. Practice your walk. To complete your Twilight vampire image, you need to learn how to walk quickly. You can walk in small strides yet fast in a very graceful manner. Act like a Twilight vampire. Aside from looking just like them, act as if you really are. Twilight vampires are real smart people, observers, confident, mysterious, and the like. It is important that you act like a normal person. However, don't starve yourself. It may not be new to you already that Twilight vampires don't eat. However, You can eat especially when no one else is watching you. That's the trick. Now, if you can consider all these guides, you can definitely portray an image as if you came from the book. Well, there may be no blood involved in this portrayal, but this is definitely the safest way to become a Twilight vampire.